everybody, Jeff Casmer here, coming from the suburbs of Chicago with another video. It's been a while, and of course I always say that every time I start a video because I always want to try to do one a day or one every couple days, and life gets busy. I'm trading, making money on forex, coaching, seeing my kids play, etc., vice versa. So anyway, thank you for joining me today. Real short video here. I wanted to do a video, but let me get some of the particulars out of the way. My name is Jeff Casmer. I'm a forex trader for the past 5 years, almost 5 years, with I Am Mastery Academy. I have been my own business owner for almost 22 years, making money online, and that's through various affiliate products, network marketing, etc. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. You can subscribe below here. If you're interested in joining, we offer a 7-day free trial where you can learn the 2 setups that you only need to trade the forex or the currency exchange and set yourself free financially. If you're interested in that, you can reach me on Facebook. At the end of the video here, I'll pull up Facebook, but it's basically Jeff Casmer, my name. You can find me. There's not many Jeff Casmers in the world. So with that being said, let me get to the focus of this video. The focus of the video is there are 4 ways to earn cash flow. Okay? Pretty simple video. 4 ways to make cash flow or to earn cash flow. Okay? So this is kind of the stats currently for the world and the market. Okay? So let's start right here. Okay? So 60% of the people in the world, and it's probably starting to drop even, actually, it's probably starting to go up a little bit more now, especially with the COVID. 60% of people making money through jobs, work at home, etc., are working for somebody else, right? That's for a job, you're working for a boss, you're working for a company, etc. 60%, okay? And it might be trending downward now. I think I said upward at the beginning, but actually down. And the reason being is because there are so many opportunities out there to make money, and the job market, especially with the COVID, the free benefits that are being given out, especially from the U.S. government, there are so many businesses that are looking for workers. It's amazing. In the Chicago area alone, you can get $15, $16 an hour for working at McDonald's. It's just amazing, right? So they are desperate for workers. So this probably is a little less now than it was maybe a couple of years ago, but 60% of the workforce, okay, work for somebody else, okay? 4% are actual business owners. This is brick and mortar, okay? You could be a life insurance agent. You could be a franchise. You could be, work for a grocery store or own a grocery store, a mom and pop store, even though those are becoming few and far between as well. So 4% own their own business, okay? 35% work for themselves, okay? 35% work for themselves. This is the third way that people make money. So they work for themselves. They own a business. They work from home. They started an affiliate program. They are making money online. They are selling services through a website. It covers a variety. 35%, okay? Then the fourth and final way to make money is 1% investor, okay? 1% investor, okay? So that is investing in trading forex, the currency exchange, trading stocks. Only 1% of the world has really the mindset to be an investor. And you have to ask yourself, wow, all right? As far as me being, just to give you an idea, I'm part of that 1%, and I am so grateful. Now, I have done all of them, okay? I spent 25 years working in the retail management, okay? Then I worked for myself, for a number of years, okay? Then I owned a business. Again, my business is online. I owned a couple websites. I promoted products, okay? And now I'm part of the 1%. Okay? It's amazing. It's amazing. And all I can share with you is if you become part of the 1%, you can set yourself free. And that's what we're doing with the company that we're tied to, I Am Mastery Academy. We are teaching how to trade the currency. So you're not really a business owner, right? Because you don't own I Am Mastery Academy, okay? You are a little bit working for yourself, okay? But investing 1%, okay? That is trading. It can be forex, stock market. That is the industry that has so much growth potential that people everywhere are now starting to see the opportunities available in trading the currency exchange or the forex market. Okay? Just to give you a quick background. I worked for myself, slaving over various jobs over a number of years. Then I became a district manager for a couple companies, okay? And I thought, oh my God, I made it, right? I was an assistant manager with a company. I was an account manager. I became the store manager. Then I became a market training manager where I was a district training manager. And then finally, I got an opportunity to be a district manager with a couple different companies. And one of the companies, a familiar company that you probably have, bought a cup of coffee from, okay? And I was a district manager and I had 10 particular stores, and this company was investing in a bunch of new stores. So literally, I said I had to get up 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, drive 90 miles away from where I live to help open new stores as they're progressively expanding. Okay. Then, after working 6, 7, 8 hours, then work my district. Now, was I getting paid good money? I was. Not worth it. Not worth it at all. So I was in the case of working for someone, right? So then I said, you know what, I'm done. Then I started working for myself, right? Okay. Started working for myself. You know what? I'm done. So I started with a couple websites, built websites, bought and sold websites, marketed affiliate programs, etc. Okay. Then I became a business owner, right? I'm going to own my business, right? Everything is going to be mine. I created it. I'm not associated with anybody else. It was mine. And you know what? There's a lot of freedom in that, okay? But it's also a long road as well. Finally, 5 years ago, I became part of the 1% investor. I just invested, right? Learn how to trade the currency, trade the markets, and enjoy the rest of your day. Let me show you something real quick, okay? Let me minimize this. Let me get out of this if I can figure out how to do it. No, that's not what I wanted. Of course not. No, don't want that, don't want that, don't want that. And now here we go. Now I got it right. Sorry about that. So let me go to my story here. Okay, I want to show you this real fast. This is my day every day now. So this is my Facebook page. I didn't know I was going to tie my Facebook page in, but I did. So if you're trying to reach me for a 7-day free trial, Jeff Kasman. Here we go, right here. Okay. So this is my day today, and this can be your day if you want to learn the 2 strategies that we teach to set people free, right? You're not working for somebody else. You're not working for the people that are the leaders of our group that are, teaching you the strategy. You are part of the 1% investor, okay? So here's my post. Here's my day, and you can too if you learn the skill to set free. So part of it is learning how to trade the forex, okay? And part of joining our group is I call out trades for my team. I help them make money while they're learning the strategy. Okay, I'm unique to our group. Okay, and this is a GBP USD trade that I called out. Zoom, went straight to the top. Okay, that's how I started my day. Doing some trades, calling out some trades for my team, making some money. This is a sneak peek into my chat. I call the trades, I give them instructions. We even give you a software to manage your trade so you're not looking at your phone every second or the metaphor on your computer or iPad or phone. Okay? Then what I did is, these three gentlemen are part of the leadership group, okay? So we offer 5 days a week, we give live webinars, right? Where we teach the strategy, answer questions, go over pairs that are potentially going to be trading. We do this 5 days a week, okay? Then after that, I made my dinner for me and my family, okay? And I just finished it before I recorded this video. It is delicious, okay? Okay, I just have to cut up some stuff, onions, carrots, beef, we're good. And so I wanted to make this quick video. Be part of the 1%, okay? Be part of the 1% as I try to get back to this. Okay, you want to be part of the 1%. Invest in yourself, make money doing it, learning a skill. You don't want to work for somebody else anymore? Nobody does, right? You can work for yourself. It is a long road. There are success stories, of course, right? And you can be a business owner. A lot of hard work, right? I know people that own a restaurant, and man, oh man, the time they get up all day, close the restaurant, manage staff, payroll, profit and loss statements, ordering food, products to make it, cleaning. It's just a grind. You can make good money, but it's a grind. What you want to do is you want the fourth way, okay, to make money. And that's in the 1% investor. Be part of the 1%, because believe it or not, 5 years ago, it was much less than 1%, and it is starting to grow. It is starting to grow, okay? Any questions? Please feel free to reach me. That's pretty much it for the video. I just wanted to give you the 4 ways to make money. And I hope you got some value out of it. If you like the video, thumbs up, thumbs down. If you got any questions, please post them in here. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please post here. If you want to reach me on Facebook. Uh-oh, can I do this real quick now? Can I do this real quick? Yep, I got that X. There we go. Well, let me minimize me. Okay, where's my X? There we go. Okay, and go to Facebook. You want to reach me? You can reach me at Jeff Kasmer, jeff.kasmer. Send me a friend request. I will get you into a 7-day free trial where you can be part of the 1%. 2 setups, that's all we teach for you to make money trading currencies. That's it. Have a great evening, everybody.